Turuan ko si Sulen gumamit ng can opener para kaya niya nang magbukas ng mga dilata. Okay. You know how, Sulen? Okay. You open first. Okay, good. You can do it. Like this one. So you open, then put here. Hold tight. Then you have to twist this one. Twist. Go. More pa. You put, then hold. You have to hold tight. Tight. Then twist. Go. Oh, no. You have to continue. Again. This, oh. Like that. Then, hold. Hold tight. Then, twist. Go. Go. Go, Sulen. You can do it. Go. Continue. More. Again. Oh. Almost. Ano na, oh. Bubuksan niya na ng konti. Let's do it again. Yan. Then, twist. Where? Like that. Hindi, oh. Go. Hold it tight. Go. More pa. Good job. Okay. Then here, you have to hold tight. Then, more. Let's see that. Here, this one. Yep, go. Like that. Okay. Go. More.